Hello, friends. Welcome to Genius Mind Kids. Are you ready to explore a magical world bursting with vibrant colors and exciting shapes? Let's jump into this fun learning adventure together. Today's mission? We'll discover 14 amazing colors and 14 super cool shapes. But wait, there's more. We'll play some awesome games too. Before we dive in, let me ask, can you name your favorite color? What's your favorite shape? Great choices. All right, let's explore them all together. But first, don't forget to subscribe and join the Genius Mind Kids family for endless fun and learning. Let's get started. Here we go.
Red, red color, so bright, like an apple, crunchy delight. Red, red color, what a treat. Strawberry sweet, can't be beat. Blue, blue color, deep as the sea. Like blueberries, so tasty to me. Blue, blue color, ocean's might. A calming hue, a peaceful sight. Green, green color, so full of life, like broccoli strong, cutting through strife. Green, green color, frogs that leap, nature's blanket, lush and deep. Yellow, yellow color, warm and bright, like the sun, spreading its light. Yellow, yellow color, banana sweet, a cheerful hue, so hard to beat. Orange, orange color, so bright and neat, like juicy oranges, a yummy treat. Orange, orange color, carrot, crunchy and sweet, glowing in the light, a happy hue, so warm and bright. Purple, purple color, royal and grand, like grapes in clusters, rich in hand. Purple, purple color, eggplant shine, a regal shade, so divine. Pink, pink color, soft and sweet, like cotton candy, such a treat. Pink, pink color, flamingo stand, a playful tone across the land. Brown, brown color, warm and sweet, like chocolate bar, such a treat. Brown, brown color, cookies so round, a comforting hue all around. Black, black color, sleek and bold, like eyeglasses smart, a story untold. Black, black color, bats in flight, a mystery deep through the night. White, white color, pure as snow, like clouds above. White, white color, snowmen below, soft and bright, a peaceful hue, glowing light. Silver, silver color, bright and cool, like a shiny coin, a sparkling jewel. Silver, silver color, bells that chime, a timeless hue through all time. Golden, golden color, shining bright, like a crown and ring, a royal delight. Golden, golden color, ring and treasures untold, a rich warm hue worth more than gold. Cyan, cyan color, fresh and new, like butterflies and sky so blue. Cyan, cyan color, jellyfish glow, a magical hue from the seas below. Gray, gray color, soft and calm, like elephants large, moving with charm. Gray, gray color, mouth so shy, a gentle hue as time goes by. And colors, colors, what a sight, each one brings the world to light. Red, blue, green, yellow too, a rainbow of colors just for you.
Yay, friends. We've just learned so many amazing colors. Great job. Now it's time to test your color knowledge with a fun quiz game. Are you ready? Let's see who can answer the fastest and the smartest. Get ready to shout out your answers or point to something around you. Here we go. Question 1. I'll describe a color and you tell me what it is. It's the color of the sky on a clear day. What is it? That's right, it's blue. Great job. Question 2. This color is the same as a ripe, juicy strawberry. What's the color? Yes, you're amazing. It's red. Okay, next round, guess the object. I'll name something and you tell me its color. Ready? What color is a lemon? That's right, it's yellow. Good job. What color is a chocolate bar? Yes, you're amazing. It's brown. What color is a flamingo? Awesome. It's pink. You're so smart. Wow, you all did such a fantastic job. You're true color champions. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Clap, clap, clap. Now, let's keep the fun going and dive into the world of amazing shapes. Are you ready to explore and learn? Let's go.
Circle, circle, so round, shining in the sky like the sun or a donut. Circle, circle, catching your eye.
Shapes are everywhere.
Square, square with four sides, equal and bright, like a picture frame or a game board. Square, square, just right.
Shapes are everywhere.
Rectangle, rectangle, long and neat, like a chocolate bar or sturdy door. Rectangle, rectangle, so sweet.
Shapes are everywhere.
Triangle, triangle, sharp and bold, like a slice of pizza or a roof that glows. Triangle, triangle to behold.
Shapes are everywhere.
Oval, oval, stretched out wide, like an egg or balloons that float with pride. Oval, oval, side by side.
Shapes are everywhere.
Diamond, diamond, sparkle so bright, like a kite in the air or a gem in the light. Diamond, diamond, a shining sight.
Shapes are everywhere.
Heart, heart, full of love to share, like a red balloon or sweet cupcake. Heart, heart, we dream with care.
Shapes are everywhere.
Star, star with 5 points in the sky, like a starfish resting by the sea. Or a sheriff's badge, shining bright. Star, they twinkle high. Shapes are everywhere. Pentagon, pentagon, with 5 sides true, like a flower's design or a honeycomb view. Pentagon, pentagon, in clear view.
Shapes are everywhere.
Hexagon, hexagon, 6 sides so neat, like beehives or honeycomb homes where bees all meet. Or hexagon, hexagon, so sweet.
Shapes are everywhere.
Octagon, octagon, 8 sides so bold, like a stop sign's shape or an umbrella, a story well told. Octagon, octagon, bright red and gold.
Shapes are everywhere.
Crescent, crescent, a curve so nice, like the smiling moon or a croissant slice. Crescent, crescent, twice as precise. Shapes are everywhere. Arrow, arrow, pointing the way, like a compass that guides to a brand new day. Like a road sign pointing the way. Arrow, arrow, let's not delay.
Shapes are everywhere.
Cylinder, cylinder, standing so tall, like a can or like a candle, glowing in the dark. Cylinder, cylinder, hear the call. Shapes are everywhere.
Well done, kids. Now that we've learned all about shapes, it's time for a fun and exciting quiz. Are you ready to show off what you've learned? Let's see how many shapes you can name. Let the quiz begin. This shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. You might see it on a slice of pizza or a road sign. What shape am I talking about? Yes, it's a triangle. Great job. This shape is round like the sun, and you can find it in the sky as a full moon. It has no corners or edges. Can you name the shape? That's right, it's a circle. Well done. What shape has 5 points like a twinkling light in the sky? That's right, it's a star. Awesome job. Wow, friends, you did such an amazing job learning about shapes and colors today. Give yourselves a big round of applause. You're superstars. But the fun doesn't stop here. If you want to keep exploring, learning, and having fun with me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting adventures. Thank you for being part of the Genius Mind Kids family. Remember, learning is an adventure, and we're just getting started. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.